guys, what's up? Today I'm here with RPGShow here. I love RPGShow here, guys. They honestly literally always come through with great quality wigs, so I'm really excited for today's wig. So firstly, I got it in a drawstring bag, and then you know the usual, the box is on the inside. Ooh, designer vibes, right? So we have a tissue paper here with, open, and then there is the wig. Ooh, I got a flyaway tamer. I love how they did this, you know, like when you get nice designer pieces with your little invoice and stuff. So it has information on the wig here on the inside. It's really nice. Love that. Oh my gosh, RPGShow is doing it. They have a legitimate magazine. I've always gotten like the little books and stuff, but this is nice. This is cute. Love this. This is so official looking. This is so nice. And look at these stunning like beauties in here. They're so gorgeous. Really nice. So I love it. It's just looks, you know. It's like, you know, giving you inspiration, like how you can style your wigs. You can dress up for your wigs and stuff. It's really nice. This is a magazine. It's really gorgeous. So I love this. Love that. And then I got this little bag you can store your wig in after you cleanse it. And that's everything that came in the box. This wig, you see, when it comes on to RPGShow, you can just count on nothing but quality. All right, the hair feels good. It is pre-plucked, okay? It's nice and flat, and it comes like already styled in the box. So it has this lovely body wave to it already. This is a silky 20-inch glueless wig. You know, you can wear it glueless. It's 200% in density, and it's a tinted transparent lace. Okay, it's tinted. It's a medium cap, of course, that I got. It's a lovely brown color. I don't do brown much, but you know, with RPG, definitely I will. So they have an extra elastic band on the inside, branded RPGShow. This is how it looks. It does have like a 13x6 portion in the middle, so if you want to give it like an effortless side part or center part, you can get a nice deep part from it. And this is how inside looks. It's just, you know, good quality. It has a total of 3 combs, and yeah, I'm excited to just go ahead and apply this. So let's go. I'm gonna do glue for this install today because I want to wear it for a while. So I'm gonna do glue. So you know the drill. I'm gonna go ahead and cleanse the area with alcohol and my wet wipe. So I just go ahead, get my glue as usual, and I do 1/2 at a time, and I do still use cool air to apply the lace. I'm only going to do 2 layers. I'm not gonna have it on for that long, so 2 layers. 2 layers will do. Love the way this glue dries down.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know my heartbeat needed skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do,
So I went ahead, did the other half and melted that down with the glue. You see how that looks amazing. So I think I told you guys I'm gonna actually keep the side part. So what I'm gonna do is do my little swoops. I'm not gonna do anything heavy looking at all. This is so natural looking, so gorgeous. I know I keep on saying it from the video start, but it's a company where I definitely recommend them. Like, and I feel like they did, like, these companies were doing awesome with upgrading their like wigs in 2021. So I expect nothing but greatness from them in 2022. Like, so I'm gonna cut down the sideburns so it's not too long. And I'm just gonna do my swoops, and then I'm gonna, you know, kind of redefine the curls with my curling iron.
No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before.
I'm gonna go ahead and lay like the hair for the parting. I'm gonna keep the same parting that it came with, and it's a nice deep parting.
Broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heart be needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me high.
Looks so good. So this is how the hair is looking. That's how it looks straight out of the package. So I just, ooh, but it doesn't look bad at all. There is some shedding, but I did cut the wefts. I did cut the wefts on like the lace on the side, so that would have increased a bit of shedding there. But this looks really good. These natural waves look really good. I can just recurl the front here.
Higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, I actually like how it's looking. That was so easy to do. This is it. You see that lace? Yeah, this is it. This is it. That's all I'm gonna do to it. It's perfect right out of the packaging. I'm gonna give it a 10. I could just like brighten the part in here, so I'm gonna do that. Yeah guys, that's pretty much it for today's wig look. Oh my gosh, I give this look a whole 15 out of 10. I love it. I'm not the biggest fan of a brown colored wig, but this, the quality, the hairline, everything, the way it lays, like it's very full. It's very full, but it's not full to the point where like it's bulky. It looks so realistic and I love it. They never disappoint, so I'm giving them a 15. I'm sorry. Shedding very minimal. Okay, it's a timeless wig. It's very nice. I feel like it's perfect for corporate. If that's the line that you're in, it's perfect for that. And it's just an overall gorgeous look, you know. So shout out to RPGShow once more. I'm going to be sure to drop all the specifications of this wig in my description box, so go ahead and check that out, as well as the direct link as usual. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more looks, and don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just want me to put it so.